Good morning, students. Let us start exercise 6.2. Next question, question number 2. So I am reading the question. E and F are points on the sides PQ and PR respectively of a triangle PQR. So I am drawing a triangle here PQR. Okay. E and F are points on the sides PQ. So E is the point on the side PQ. I am marking here, and F is the point on the side PR. So I am marking here, joining these 2 points here. Okay. All these figures I figure out from the question only. So for each of the following cases, state whether EF is parallel to QR. Okay. So first case, PE is equal to 3.9 centimeter, EQ is equal to 3 centimeter, PF is equal to 3.6 centimeter, and FR is equal to 2.4 centimeter. I am marking all these points. PE is equal to 3.9 here. Next, EQ is equal to 3 here. PF is equal to 3.6, and again FR is equal to 2.4. So if you are checking this figure, you can identify this is something related to basic proportional theorem. Okay, so I am going to apply the basic proportional theorem. How can we apply here? I am taking these two sides, and this is the first one, division. So I am writing PE divided by remaining EQ, calculating here. Okay, so 3.9 divided by 3. We will get, after dividing this one, we will get 1.3 will be the answer. Next, I am taking this side, PF divided by FR. PF divided by FR. Okay, so 3.6 divided by 2.4. After dividing these two numbers, we will get 1.5. So what is basic proportional theorem? PE divided by EQ should be is equal to PF divided by FR, correct? But here PE divided by EQ is equal to this 1.3, and PF divided by FR is equal to 1.5. So we can write PE divided by EQ, which is not equal to, both are not equal, PF divided by FR, right? So we can write, therefore EF is not parallel to QR. This is the question. We have to state whether it is parallel to QR or not. Okay, EF is parallel to QR or not. It is asking like this, QR. So it is not parallel. So this statement is wrong. Okay, EF is not parallel to QR. If EF is parallel to QR, then it should satisfy the basic proportional theorem. These two answers should come same, equal. Okay, next I am calculating part 2. PE is equal to 4 centimeter, QE is equal to 4.5 centimeter, PF is equal to 8 centimeter, and RF is equal to 9 centimeter. Drawing the figure here, PQR is the triangle, and E and F are 2 points here. So PE, this side is equal to 4, EQ is equal to 4.5, PF is equal to 8, and RF is equal to 9 centimeter. So just I am applying basic proportional theorem. First, PE divided by EQ. PE divided by EQ, we can calculate 4 divided by 4.5. Okay, so 4 divided by 4.5. We can multiply 2 in numerator and 2 in denominator. So we will get, if you are multiplying any number in numerator or denominator, we should multiply the same number in the opposite side. Okay, so here I am multiplying 2, here also I am multiplying 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8, 2 into 4.5 is equal to 9. Next I am calculating this side. PF divided by FR is equal to, what are the sides? 8 divided by 9. Now we got these two answers are same, equal, correct? So we can write PE divided by EQ is equal to PF divided by FR. Therefore, which theorem satisfied? Basic proportional theorem. Proportional theorem satisfied, right? So we can write, therefore If a basic proportional theorem is satisfied, then we can write therefore the side EF is parallel. This is the simple parallel to QR. Okay, so in the second case both answers are same, so we can write these two lines are parallel. In the first case both answers are not same, so we cannot write these two are parallel, so this is not parallel. Okay, in the third case you can check the same thing. PQ given, PR given, PE given and PF given, and EQ. PQ given, correct? This EQ is not given, but the whole length given. So the entire length minus PE, you will get EQ. This is here PR. Entire length minus this PF, you will get FR. So find out EQ and FR first. So you can divide PE divided by EQ and PF divided by FR. After that all the calculations same only. Okay. First find out that remaining side CQ. Total PQ minus this PE, you will get EQ. Okay. And remaining questions you can do the same way. And you will get the proportion should be is equal to, after that you can write EF is parallel to QR.